Welcome to today's session. Today, we learn how to find the longest iterable, whether it is a string, an array, or an object with a length property, using JavaScript. This is useful in data handling, UI processing, and more. Let's get started. The goal is to determine the longest iterable from a given set of inputs, whether it is a string or an array. We'll use its length property to compare and find the longest one. This function takes multiple inputs, converts them into an array, sorts them in descending order by length, and returns the longest one. If there are any multiple longest items, it returns the first occurrence. The process starts by collecting all inputs, sorting them in descending order based on length, and returning the first item. This ensures we get the longest iterable efficiently. In this example, the function correctly identifies the longest iterable, whether it is a string or an array. If two items have the same length, the first occurrence is returned. This function is practical in real-world scenarios like text analysis, API responses, and user input validation. It helps identify the longest piece of data efficiently. In summary, this function provides an easy and efficient way to identify the longest iterable from a given list of inputs. Its applications range from text analysis to data filtering. Thank you for following this session. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.